Limitations of authors' property rights. In 1991, a shocking nude picture decorated the cover of the August issue of Vanity Fair. It was a picture of a heavily pregnant Demi Moore, a famous actress in the US, standing in front of the camera nude. This picture played an important role in changing society's perception at the time on pregnancy. Photographer Annie Leibovitz showed through a single photo that a pregnant woman's body, which until then had been a taboo subject, is beautiful and that it is a positive image. However, the poster created by Paramount Pictures Corporation used a photo of a character in the same pose as Demi Moore in Annie Leibovitz's picture. The movie, The Naked Gun, 33 1/3, The Final Insult, is a funny parody movie. Annie Leibovitz sued Paramount for copyright infringement, but the court ruled that the poster was a fair use work based on a parody and was not a case of copyright infringement. A parody is a work that comically imitates the unique style of the creator of a certain work. A parody is within the bounds of fair use and can be used in a limited way without the permission from the copyright holder. Using someone else's copyrighted material without obtaining a license like this is called fair use. The standards and the scope of fair use differ from country to country, but a limited use of copyright material without the copyright holder's permission was systematically allowed for the purpose of cultural prosperity and industrial development. A baby is dancing to Prince's Let's Go Crazy. This video that was uploaded on YouTube in February 2007 is a 29-second-long video made as a UCC that the baby's mother Stephanie Lenz created. However, 4 months later, the video was deleted and no longer available. What was the problem? It was because of Prince's song that was used in the background of the video clip. Universal Music Corporation sent YouTube a takedown notice regarding the video clip because Stephanie Lenz used the music illegally. YouTube accepted Universal Music Corporation's request and deleted the video clip. It is copyright infringement if the material was used without the permission from the copyright holder. However, Stephanie Lenz filed a lawsuit against Universal Music Corporation, demanding that the company rescind its takedown notice. Universal should not be using legal threats to try to prevent people from sharing home videos of their kids with family and friends. Corinne McSherry, the lawyer from Electronic Frontier Foundation, who helped with Stephanie's lawsuit, stated that Universal must stop making groundless infringement claims that trample on fair use and free speech. What do you think? The copyright law protects the copyright holder's rights, but the people who use copyrighted materials also have the right to freely enjoy the materials. The copyright law was created to protect copyright materials and to also encourage more people to use the copyrighted materials. After over a year of court battle, the case was decided in favor of the plaintiff, Stephanie Lenz, in August 2008. Like Stephanie Lenz, there are more users of copyrighted materials than copyright holders who produce copyrighted materials. Limitations on copyrights and escape clauses have already been set up in many countries to allow users to freely enjoy the materials. Excessive limitations on the use of copyrighted materials can harm the purpose of copyrights to bring about prosperity and development of culture, arts, and industry. As such, balanced utilization of copyrighted materials through fair use must be considered. Therefore, companies must thoroughly comprehend the permissible scope and system of copyrights and set up marketing strategies utilizing such knowledge.